So today I'm going to be putting in this light for a 2007 Cadillac DTS. This is a third brake light that goes on the trunk. I couldn't find a 2007, but I found a 2006, which uses the same one. And this one is exactly the same. It is going to fit. Cut the wire. I took the nuts off of it. And it's pretty simple. First I have to take off this cover over here. It has a couple of clips all around it. You just kind of gently pull them until they come out. And then each of them are going to have screws here in the back. And yeah, that's what we're gonna do right now.
Yeah, that's so loud.
What's so loud?
You're ripping that off.
Okay.
That's crazy.
Oh, I want it to come out. I'm standing. Alright. This one broke a little bit.
Yeah, the screw broke a little bit.
Yeah, you see it, Chose?
Yeah, I see it.
Yeah.
I'll take it away.
Thank you. Let me grab. Try that with some pliers. See how it goes.
Okay, so when I have a winch.
What are you gonna do with that wrench for? This is not working with the wrench. Same thing happened with that one. Take it off later.
Is there fireworks in here?
I don't think those fireworks, Chose.
Well, Dad, I have my winch. I have my big winch. Dad, tell me whatever screw is broken and I'll take it out.
Okay. There's none broken right now.
Okay, well, I'll take this screw away.
Okay, now I can take this clip off. This one didn't break as bad, but still. Okay, so now this is exposed. You could see the screws. One, 2, got 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Yeah, that's about it. Then this light should come off. See, my light looks pretty good, but the other day I was backing up into a parking spot and I hit a tree.
That's a funny video.
So I went to the junkyard and I got a new one, and now I am replacing it. I found this one. Thank you, Chip. 10mm wrench. You're gonna need a deep socket wrench because regular wrench sockets won't work. So let's do this. What?
Did I use this?
Oh, that's a sensor. I can't use that for this. That's for the other car. That's for the Land Rover. I have some little clips right here that you can pull out. Okay. Okay. There you go. It comes off that easy. And now you gotta take out this clip. It's a little bit hard to do, and even harder when you try to do it with one hand. Okay, so found how to do it. Take it off from this position. Then you have to flip it around. Mine already came off, but anyways, You flip it around to where there's this side. So you're seeing this side. There's a little clip that goes in there. You just put a screwdriver, a flat screwdriver, and you lift that. And that's where this little part right here that sticks out will come out once you lift that other piece from the light. And it comes off pretty easy. Copper wire brush that I have in my toolbox. It's full of oil, but it's alright. Anyway, so I scratch it over here a little bit. Just make sure you're staying within here. You don't want to go outside of the pane and then mess it up. Just do it lightly. Alright, so I put some caulking around all the screws, and I put some at the ends too. First screw in. Let's get the second.
There. Put it up there.
What are you fixing it?
Doing it right now.
Okay. Yeah, guys, this is it right here. When I took the light off at the junkyard, this one broke off, and then this one broke off too. So, you know, put some caulk in there. I need to finish tightening these, and then that's it. And then I gotta bend this back to where it goes because I had a dent on the outside that I kind of fixed. I mean, it's less noticeable. And that's it. And I just put my I just put the cover over here, put the clips on it, and it's done.